How to block someone on Snapchat or how to block users on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can block a particular user on Snapchat. Now blocking on Snapchat is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Now you can head to your friends option or you can head into your chat. Simply head into your chat and here you'll see varieties of chat here. Simply search in from the search bar for the user that you want to block or locate the user that you want to block. Now here, once you locate it, what you're going to do is tap and hold on the chat of the user that you want to block, and here you can see the option manage friendship. Simply tap on manage friendship option and there you'll get the option to block. What you can do is simply tap on block option and the notification will pop up there. Are you sure you want to block the user? Simply tap on block and they'll be blocked. So this way you can block someone on Snapchat. If you want to unblock them, simply tap on the profile icon at the top left and then tap on the settings icon at the top right and scroll all the way down below and head into the blocked option, and beside the username, locate the username first and locate the user that you want to unblock. Tap on the username. Beside the username you'll find the cross icon at the right hand side of the screen. Tap on it and then it'll ask you for confirmation to unblock this Snapchatter. Simply tap on yes and they'll be unblocked. So this way you can block and unblock someone on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.